doesn't mean you're weak. And I'm going to prove it to you that you can get stronger, burn fat, and have an awesome total body workout without leaving your chair. And we're going to do it today. Let's start by marching. Just march, 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 march. That's it, march. And breathe. March. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go into our jumping jacks, just like this. That's it. Remember, this is an intermediate workout, right in your chair, a step above beginner. Keep it up. Warming our body up. Exercise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, boxing jump ropes, guys. Just march and jump rope. That's it. Remember, we don't want to go too fast. We just want to warm up our body and get ready to exercise. That's it. This is called a boxer's jump rope. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. And make sure you stay hydrated. Make sure you have water with you. That's it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Arms up here. March again. Can you march? Just march right here. Now watch. I'm just going to cross my arms. That's it. Just cross. That's all I'm doing. Cross, 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 cross. Good. Warming up our shoulders. Warming our legs up. And march and cross, cross. That's it. Intermediate workout for you and me. That's it. Cross, 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 cross. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. Now our bodies are warm. We're ready to exercise. Grab your dumbbells. Remember, if you don't have any dumbbells, you can use water bottles or cans or no weight at all. It's really up to your fitness level, okay? So dumbbells are here. I'm going to slide down to my chair. I'm going to do an incline press with a knee lift. Work the top part of my chest, and I'm going to lift my knee like this. And I'm going to alternate that. And then the other. You see that? Now listen, I don't want you to press straight up like this. All right? Just right above your eyes. Work the top part of your pectoral muscle. That's it. Press. Press. Chest. Legs. Chest. Legs. That's it. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Getting stronger. Healthier. Let's go, guys. You got it. And press and lift. Good. Press and lift. I can feel these in my shoulders and my chest and my legs. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Those are tough. Sit up. March right here. Shake your arms loose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Bicep curls with tap out. So I'm going to curl and I'm going to tap out. You see that? And then back. So I'm going to curl and tap. Curl and tap. That's it. Curl and tap. Working my biceps, my legs, coordination, all while sitting down. We're just sitting down doing this. You're going to get a strong workout here. Keep going. That's it. A step above beginner. Intermediate workout here. Right in your chair. Arms, tap out. Arms, tap out. You got it. Arms, tap out. Keep going. Arms, tap out. Don't stop. Arms, tap out. Woo! Arms, tap out. That's it. 5. You got it. 4. Keep going. 3. That's it. 2. Keep going. And 1. And march. Wow. Make sure you breathe right here. Inhale and exhale. Remember, if you have to take a break, don't stop. Just march slowly. Let your heart rate come down and come back with us, okay? Just march here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now this is hammer curls with heel taps and lateral flies, all right? So arms are down here. Now watch this. Hammer curl and tap, hammer curl and tap, laterals, return. Now listen, if your shoulders, you have a shoulder injury, you don't want to come up high. Keep them low like this, okay? Here we go. Hammer curl, lateral, return. Hammer curl, lateral, return. Good. Hammer, lateral, return. That's it. Hammer curl, lateral, return. Woo! Hammer curl, laterals, return. Good. Biceps, shoulders, return. Two more. Biceps, shoulders, return. One more. Biceps, shoulders, return. All right. March right here. I can feel those in my shoulders. I can feel those in my legs. How you doing out there? Stay focused. Stay with me. We're going to get stronger here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, dumbbells go here. Now watch this. I'm going to jog. 3, 2, 1. Press. Okay? You got that, David? All right. You ready, Linda? Here we go. Ready? Jog. 3, 2, 1. Press. Good. 3, 2, 1. Press. Good. 3, 2, 1. Press. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Press. Good. Cardio. 3, 2, 1. Shoulders. 2 more. Cardio. 3, 2, 1. Press. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Press. Wow, you're doing amazing. Those are tough. And you're doing it. Stay focused. Stay with me. I can feel those. I'm going to take one dumbbell. I'm going to set it down just like that. Wow, I can really feel those. Those are great. I'm feeling my body, feeling amazing, feeling strong, feeling energized. All right, bars here. Breathe, inhale, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to work my bicep and my stomach and my quad. Yeah, all in my chair, one movement. So I'm going to slide on my chair, dumbbells in my right hand, left leg straight out. Now watch. When I sit up, I curl and lift. Bicep, stomach, quad. All in one. Here we go. Sit up and lift. Sit up and lift. That's it. Working that stomach, getting it nice and flat. Working the biceps, getting strong. Working the quad. All while we're sitting down, right in your chair. Intermediate workout. That's it. Keep your elbow tucked to the side of your body when you do this. That's it. Sit up and curl. Up and curl. That's it. Up and curl. Good. Up and curl. I can feel this in my quad. Up and curl. Good. 2 more. Here we go. 1 and 2. All right, let's switch sides. Woo, I can feel those. Here we go. Sit up and curl. That's it. Up and curl. Legs, biceps, stomach, all in one motion. That's it. Up and curl. Now, this is a good exercise if you're short on time and you want to work multiple body parts. This is an excellent workout. Great for you. Beginners, seniors, fit over 50. Keep it up. Here we go. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, take the dumbbell. Let's march right here. You're doing a fantastic job. We're going to cool down, grab some water, and get ready for the next exercise. Okay, it's time to train the core. If you have a strong core, it'll take the stress off the lower back. So let's start with a Rocky Balboa. Arms up here, just like this. I'm going to lean back in my chair just a little bit. I'm going to come up. 1, 2, down. Then the other side. 1, 2, down. Good. 1, 2, down. This is Rocky Balboa's. 1, 2, down. Working our stomach. 1, 2, down. You got it. 1, 2, down. Good. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Working our core. 1, 2, down. That's it. 1, 2, down. Rocky Balboas. 1, 2, down. That's it. 1, 2, down. Keep it up. 1, 2, down. Keep going, guys. 1, 2, down. Good. 1, 2, down. This is an intermediate workout right in your chair. That's it. 1, 2, down. Last one. 1, 2, down. Great job, guys. Just march right here. Working our core. Getting stronger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Seated jackknife. This is my favorite core exercise because it works the upper core, lower core, okay? So we're going to sit down right here, lean back, abs in tight, support your lower back, arms up here, and we're going to sit up and lift, just like that. And then the other, sit up and lift. You see that? I'll alternate my lifts. Lift. This is seated jackknife. Right in your chair. Building stronger core. Right in your chair. Intermediate workout. That's it. Go. Go. That's it. A step above beginner. Working our core in our chair. Make sure you breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Seated jackknife. All together, guys. Don't stop. You can do it. Let's go. Together. We're going to get stronger and healthier. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Those are tough. Well, I can feel those in my core bars right here. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Remember, if you have to take a break, march slowly and rejoin us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, heel touches. So legs come up here just like this. See that? Palms here. And we're going to reach for our heels just like that. Just reach. This is going to work our obliques right on the side of our stomach. Nice and easy. Your range of motion. Go as far as you can. That's it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now arms up here, and we're just gonna reach. Just reach, reach. Don't bend. Don't bend like this. Just reach, okay? Reach, reach. Working our obliques on the side of our stomach. Reach. That's it. Reach, reach. You got it. Reach. Abs in tight. Reach. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, guys. March it out right here. 5.